Hi everybody, and welcome to this short video series on the Skinny Fat solution. So this is going to be a very short video series on the whole problem and challenge of having a skinny fat physique. Now, if you're not sure what that means or what it is or what it looks like, it's just a matter of going to Google Images and typing in skinny fat, and that will give you an idea of what it looks like. But 95% of the population are skinny fat in terms of their physique. And what that means is that you look good with clothes on, but when you take your clothes off, it's a different story. So we'll talk more about that in just a second, but this video series will essentially look at what skinny fat is, so what the problem is, how you got there in the first place, and ultimately how to get out of it, how to reverse skinny fat. Because if you're skinny fat, I can almost guarantee you're not happy with your physique. I know, because I was skinny fat myself and I was frustrated because I was training and I wasn't getting the results that I really thought I deserved to have. So the last part of the series will be dedicated to how to reverse skinny fat, how to reverse the problem and ultimately get the body that you want. So this is going to be a fun little short video series where you will get results, but you must put in the work. Absolutely mandatory. So I hope you enjoyed this video series. If you like it, please reach out to me and let me know. And most importantly, if you get benefit from it by doing the work, please let me know. My contact details are up on your screen right now. Send me a message. I want to hear your success story. Again, I thank you, and I'll see you at the end and throughout this journey. Thank you for watching.